Welcome to the InvisOutlet Installation Guide, your tool for a seamless setup. Thank you for being an Intecular customer and supporter of our vision to advance homes. First, remove all items from the package. Inside the box, you'll find the InvisOutlet Pro, an instruction manual, and an extra backplate. Before beginning, turn off the circuit breaker and check the outlet by plugging in a device to make sure the power's off. Step 1. Remove the old outlet. First, unscrew its cover plate. Then gently pull the outlet out until you can access the outlet terminals. Finally, loosen the outlet terminal screws and detach the live, neutral, and ground wires. Step 2. Unclip the cover plate by pulling gently on the two indented points on the back of the cover plate while pressing on the front of the InvisOutlet. This requires a firm grip, so don't worry about breaking it while applying significant pressure. Step 3. Connect the wires. Straighten the live and neutral wires and cut them to fit the exposed wire entirely within the orange Wago connectors. Connect in-wall live and neutral wires to the appropriate Wago connector and connect the ground wire to the InvisOutlet's green ground terminal screw. Next, neatly fold the wires back into the wall. Lastly, secure the InvisOutlet by tightening both mounting screws until the back plate is flush with the wall. Step 4. Attach the cover plate. Apply firm pressure on inner corners of the cover plate. You will hear a click as the corners are secured. Step 5. Press the plus button on the InvisHome app to connect your phone to the InvisOutlet. You'll then be prompted to scan the QR code in your installation guide to initiate pairing. Long press the square button in the middle to reset InvisOutlet if needed. The middle light will blink rapidly to indicate a successful reset. Resetting the device before pairing it to the app is a common fix for pairing issues. You can control and customize your InvisOutlet functionality and settings. On the main screen, adjust the outlet power and nightlight brightness. While viewing the various sensor readings including occupancy, air quality, temperature, and more. In settings, you can customize features including touch controls, adaptive lighting, and more. Congratulations on setting up your InvisOutlet. Welcome to a smarter life.